Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. Wants it.
Are we still friends? Should we be friends? Are we still friends? I've got to know.
Introducing my brand new to me 2022 Yamaha YZ125. And just like that, after 2 years of riding trail bikes and dreaming of owning a YZ125, I bought my very first motocross bike in early 2024. She was used and honestly a little abused, but to me, she was everything. I mean, this was my dream bike, so naturally I couldn't wait for the first ride. A little later, I start at least hitting one of the small little doubles that I was procrastinating on. Not that that's a big step, but either way, progression's progression. What an absolute freshie we got here. Idea why I am so tired. Couple things with moto. I am gonna work on my body position, meaning just like, you know, keep my butt back a little more and just like staying over the bike, bring the bike a little more, toes in, and finally I'm gonna keep my feet on the brakes.
struggling in some of the tight corners,
Yeah.
get your elbows up
Okay.
and put that leg out. Put
Okay.
that fucking leg out. It helps a lot.
Okay, I'll try.
Focus on elbows up. When I first started, for form, it's tough to get in the natural form. Form makes everything easier.
Come on. Come on. Just practice kicks.
Okay.
Wants it.
Oh my god!
Let's go!
Yes!
Alright boys, you can tell we're in the woods right now. First time running a t-shirt in a while. I forgot how rough the woods are, dude. There's so many whoops, so many rocks, you gotta be careful.
think niggas don't think shit stink. Pink Gators, my Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right, if they head right, Biggie there, every night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruise, cruise, who? Do something to us. Talk goes through us. Girls want to us, wanna do us. Screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Pup. Close like Starsky and Hutch, stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze through.
When I made that video, I thought I looked pretty cool, but honestly looking at it now, I think I kind of just looked goofy. It's clear that I was still kind of hesitant on jumps because I wasn't keeping my head all the way forward. I think I've gotten better at that now. And also, I didn't know how to seat bounce at the time, so I looked weird trying to stretch that jump out of the corner. I think overall I'm a lot more comfortable now and I look a lot better doing it, so that's good. At the end of the year, I actually started getting pretty discouraged. I had a couple weeks in a row where I was riding great for my standards, and then I had a couple weeks where I wasn't. To be honest, looking back, I think I was overreacting a little bit. I tried like clutching it by, oh, I gotta focus on body position now, which maybe is true, but I think I was kind of taking away from the fun of it. The lesson from this part is two things. One, progression isn't linear, and two, it's important to really focus on having fun, because I think that's when I progress the most. Next year, I'm excited just to ride and explore different types of riding, different disciplines, and maybe even racing. But I think the core thing at all of that is having fun. So let's skip to the last and one of the most fun days of 2024.
That's so much fun, bro.
Where I'd heard the music years before, but the man there said the music wouldn't play.